In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Tinkercad quickly and easily using just your web browser. Tinkercad is a cloud-based platform, which means you do not need to install any software on your computer. You can access it from Chrome, Firefox, or Edge and get started in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to www.tinkercad.com. Once the website loads, you'll see the Tinkercad homepage. From here, look for the Log In button in the top right corner and click it. If you already have an Autodesk account or a Google account, you can use either one to sign in instantly. Just choose the option that matches your account and follow the prompts on screen. After you log in, you'll be taken to your Tinkercad dashboard. This is where all of your designs and projects are stored. To begin a new project, click the blue Create button. From there, you can choose between 3D design or circuit, depending on what you want to build. If you want to open an existing project instead, hover over one of your previous designs on the dashboard. You should see a button that says Tinker This. Click that button and Tinkercad will open the file directly in the editor or simulator. This is the fastest way to continue working on a design you already started. If you want to create something brand new, just click Create and start fresh. Tinkercad will open your workspace and you can begin dragging in shapes, parts, or components right away. That's really all there is to it. Opening Tinkercad is simple, fast, and completely browser-based, so you can get to your projects from almost any computer with an internet connection. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.